Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to create this type of dashboard in Microsoft Excel. Here is a graph product wise and country wise. If I click here in slicer, just click keyboard, it will display the keyboard cells, and it will also the country wise cells of keyboard. If I click mouse, it will display the mouse cells. If I remove this filter, it will display all the cells. Here is a country slicer also. If I click USA, it will display the cells of USA. If I click Germany, it will display the cells of Germany. If I remove this filter, it will display all the cells. And here is also a timeline. If I click March, it will display the March cells. If I click May, it will display the May cells of all the item product wise and country wise. How can create this type of chart? Let's start. Here is a data, and I will create the dashboard of this data. Just go to the insert, and here is a pivot table. Just click here, and I want to create a new sheet and click OK. Here is a fields. All the fields will display here in pivot table. Just drag it to the row wise. An amount, I just drag it into the values. It will display all some amount of sales. Just select this summary and copy it. Just Ctrl C, and here just press Ctrl V. But here I want to display the country wise. Just remove this filter here and drag the country into the rows. It will display the country wise summary. It will display the product wise summary. Now I will create the chart. How can we create this chart? Just click here and go to the analyze, and here is the option pivot chart. I just select the bar chart. There is a different type of styles. Just click OK, and here I just select the hide all the fields button on chart, and just click here and remove this and delete this also. Now I will create another chart regarding the country. Just click here and go to the analyze and click pivot chart. Here I want to create the pie chart. Here is a different option you can select. Just click OK. Just click here and hide all the fields button on chart, and delete this and delete this. Here is the option chart style. Just click here. Here is a different styles. It will show the percentage also. You can see here. This is done. Now just click this pivot chart and go to the analyze and click insert slicer. and here is a product wise slicer and click OK. I want to show the product wise slicer. Now if click keyboard, it will display the keyboard data. If I click mouse, it will display the mouse cells. If I remove this filter, it will display all the cells of item. Now you can see here, if I click keyboard, there is no change in this chart and pivot table. How can we link this? Just right click here and go to the report connection and select second pivot table also and click OK. Now if I click LCD, it will display here also because it's linked into pivot table 1 and pivot table 2. Now create another slicer country wise. Just click here and go to the analyze, and here click slicer, and I want to show the country. Just click here and click OK. If I click France, it will display France cells, but it is not linked into the pivot table 1. Just right click here and go to the report connection and select the pivot table 1 also. Now it's linked into both of chart. If I remove this filter, it will display all the cells. I just drag it here. Now I will create the timeline. Just click here and go to the analyze, and here is the option timeline. Just click here and click OK. It will display the timeline. If I click January, it will display the January cells, but I will also link this into the pivot table 2. Just right click here and go to the report connection and click pivot table 2 and click OK. Now it links into both of chart and data. It will display the March cells. If I remove this filter, it will display all the cells. That's way you can create dashboard in Microsoft Excel. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.